Welcome to Best Choice. The best gold panning machine is probably one of the most innovative tools for prospectors and hobbyists alike. This device automates the gold separation process, increasing efficiency and potentially boosting your gold recovery rates. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features, benefits, and practical applications of this machine, helping you determine if it's the right investment for your gold hunting endeavors. Number 5. Garrett Gold Pan Kit, Starter Set. This complete kit includes everything you need to start panning for gold. It features a 14-trap pan, a sifter, a 10-backpacker pan, a gold guzzler bottle, and vials. It's perfect for beginners and experienced prospectors alike. The lightweight green pans make it easier to spot fine gold. The color helps to create contrast, making it simpler to identify those tiny flakes. You'll be amazed at how much easier it is to find gold. The 90 degrees riffles are designed to trap gold and prevent loss in both wet and dry conditions. This design ensures that the gold stays where it should, even when you're working in challenging environments. This feature helps maximize your gold recovery. Whether you're panning for fun or serious gold recovery, this kit is ideal. It's designed to be user-friendly for those just starting out, while also offering the features that experienced prospectors need. It's a versatile tool for all skill levels. Garrett pans have been a leader in the industry for decades. The brand is known for quality and reliability. You can trust this kit to help you find gold. What we like. This kit has everything you need to get started. The green pans make spotting gold easier, so you won't miss a thing. If you're a beginner looking to get into gold panning, this is the perfect starter set for you. What people say. These pans are made from very durable, solid plastic. Using the 10 like a Batia pan, I've found some good color in no time. The 14 is a good all-purpose pan. You can use them both to safety pan, or the 10 fits pretty well into a 5-gallon bucket if need be. Number 4. Garrett Deluxe Gold Pan Kit, Complete Prospecting Set. This deluxe 9-piece kit includes everything you need to find gold. It comes with 4 gold pans, a classifier, snuffer bottle, vials, tweezers, and a magnifier. It's a complete set for any prospector. The kit's pans are designed for all types of gold. Whether you're looking for fine flakes or larger finds, this kit has the tools for every step. It's perfect for any gold panning situation. The 15 Super Sluice pan moves a lot of material quickly. This is great for high-volume panning. It helps you process more material and find gold faster. The green pans enhance the visibility of fine gold. This is true whether the conditions are wet or dry. This feature makes it easier to spot those precious flakes. This kit is built with a durable, rugged design. It's trusted by both hobbyists and serious gold hunters. You can rely on it to withstand the rigors of prospecting. What we like. This deluxe kit offers a wider range of tools for every step of the process. The Super Sluice pan is great for moving a lot of material quickly. If you're looking for a more comprehensive set to handle different types of finds, this is the one for you. What people say. The pans are constructed of a good, durable, quality and thick plastic. The classifier has no metal, so it's nice if you are using a metal detector to see if you have no nuggets in the classifier. The patented 90-degree riffles in these pans are the ticket for your best chance at finding placer gold. Number 3. ASR Outdoor 50 Gold Sluice Box Kit. This 24-piece kit from ASR Outdoor has everything you need to start your gold prospecting adventure. It includes a sluice box, gold pans, and various tools, all packed in a convenient backpack. It's designed to help you strike it rich wherever you find gold-rich pay dirt. This gold mining equipment is ready to go right out of the backpack. The sluice box is designed to stay in place while in use. It won't collapse unexpectedly when you remove it from the stream. The kit includes a 50 gold sluice box, a backpack, classifier screens, gold pans, tweezers, a folding shovel, and more. These tools are designed to maximize your gold recovery efforts. You'll have everything you need to find gold. This kit contains proven gold prospecting equipment. Using these tools will greatly increase your chances of finding gold. With the price of gold constantly increasing, this kit can be a very rewarding investment. The sluice box is made from rust-free aluminum and includes miner's moss and gold carpet. It has extended dimensions of 50 in length. It's built to last and help you recover gold efficiently. The backpack has a large top-load pouch, secured with a drawstring and buckle snaps. It also has side pouches with zippers and hook and loop flaps. It offers a total volume of 30 L, providing ample space for all your gear. What we like. This kit comes with a sluice box and all the necessary tools in a backpack. The sluice box is designed to lock in place, making it easy to use. If you like the idea of a portable, all-in-one solution for gold prospecting, this is a great choice. What people say. The machine is very efficient at separating gold from the other materials. The design is well thought out and easy to use. It has a high recovery rate, which is great for serious prospectors. Number 2. Desert Fox Automatic Gold Panning Machine. This is the Desert Fox, a self-contained gold panning machine. It's designed to efficiently separate and concentrate gold from your concentrates. It's perfect for those seeking a reliable solution for fine gold recovery. The Desert Fox features a 12.5-inch spiral wheel with 7 separate spirals. These spirals work together to capture gold with each rotation, ensuring maximum efficiency. The gold is then collected in a hanging gold catch cup. This machine can process up to 70 pounds of concentrates in just 1 hour. It operates at 105 rotations per minute, making it a fast and effective tool for gold mining. It's both a separator and a concentrator. Designed with the desert in mind, the Desert Fox conserves water. It only requires about 3 gallons to operate, making it ideal for use in arid environments. This makes it a great choice for those looking to conserve resources. The Desert Fox is made in the USA and weighs only 10 pounds. Its dimensions are 20 by 14.5 by 20 inches, and it can be stored in an action packer container. This makes it easy to transport and store. What we like. This machine automates the gold panning process, saving you time and effort. It can process a large amount of material in an hour. If you're looking to efficiently process concentrates and conserve water, this is the perfect option. What people say. It works very well and separated the black sand very well. This is a classic and proven machine. Easy to set up. It is also extremely well made, with an excellent design, and durable, functional, and easy to source components in the unlikely event of a part failure. We found lots of fine gold and dirt that we had pan. Number 1. Minelab Gold Monster 1000 Detector Bundle. This is the Gold Monster 1000, a high-performance metal detector. It's easy to use and comes with everything you need to start your gold hunting adventure. The Gold Monster 1000 uses advanced 45 kHz frequency and a high-speed signal processor. This combination boosts its sensitivity to gold, allowing it to find nuggets of various sizes. The detector features fully automatic operation, making it simple to use. It also has automatic noise cancel and ground balance features, ensuring a smooth and efficient experience. It includes 2 search coils, and offers adaptable performance. The detector also has a gold chance indicator and adjustable sensitivity settings. The detector has a monochrome LCD display and a detector length that is adjustable. It comes with both an internal speaker and headphone jack for audio output. The bundle includes the detector, 2 coils, and a Pro Gold panning kit. It offers a 2-year warranty for the control box and coil. What we like. This detector is designed for high performance and ease of use. It offers fully automatic operation and extra sensitivity. If you are looking for a metal detector that is easy to use and can find gold nuggets, this is the one for you. What people say. Easy to use. Very good at finding small gold. It was lightweight and simple to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.